I have a bad news to tell you. This is not actually a bad news, but this is not a news I expected. This is how it goes. If you remember, we have done many serverless videos, and there I use a tool called Serverless Framework. And I recommended that tool because it's a really nice, cool tool. This is why. Most serverless is a really nice architecture, really good thing. So you can just focus on the functionality. You don't have to think about the infrastructure or anything. It's a really great and really cool architecture paradigm. But the problem is AWS introduced SAMs and there are many other framework including the cloud formation and so many things, but it's not really going with software engineers because software engineers are not like most of the time to focus on these SAM model what they have brought up. But then there was a tool like a serverless framework came up and it solved that problem. Serverless framework is a really cute, really handy. So you can go there and you can write your code and then you can just write the template configuration. Then it taking care of creating cloud formation, deploying, creating roles, binding API gateways, domain mapping, every single thing. So it was really cool and it was free. But with the serverless framework version 4.0, they decide it's not going to be free anymore. Can't blame, we can't expect everything free. That is true. But when some open source free project getting fan base and getting users and converting overnight to paid version, it is not like acceptable thing. It is not really cool thing. This is not overnight. They announced that they are going to do this change and so and so. And other good side also, it is not like a heavy bill. It's not like a, I don't know. I haven't tried this because their pricing model is a little bit complicated based on the matrices, based on the tracing, based on the number of services. That's how they are going to use the credit based subscription. I'm not sure how that would end up because my experience is most of the time when initially we see this is like cool, this is a very simple bill, but at the end it may be a huge bill. We don't know. And there's other good side, they didn't touch the version 3.0. Version 3.0 is still free, but they only apply this change mechanism, this charging mechanism from version 4.0. That's a good thing. And also from version 3.0 to 4.0 there is no major changes, so you can still stay with the 3.0 and use the free features. And there's the other side of the story, that is if you are deploying this to real commercial work, it is like it's not bad, like it is not unfair they're charging from you. That's also other side of the story because this other company there are maybe full-time developers, maybe there are like huge teams running behind, I don't know anything, but in that case it is not like unfair. The thing is, since this is a subscription basis, we have no idea how your bill is going to be, and I don't see any calculator or something like AWS calculator to decide what would be the price. But if you contact them, probably they give you like some hint or something how that would going to be. And when I go through the documentation, what I saw is now development life cycle is get a little bit complicated because you need each developer need a license key or something, and that's how it's going to be. I didn't try that much. So if you go to serverless framework website, and then you can see this pricing model, right? So it says this pricing, and there is a small business discount. I don't remember exact number, but if if your business turnover is less than some amount of dollars, then this license fee is not applicable for you, or you have a discount or something. And then you can go with the annual payment, so then you have some discount. So this is what I was explaining. So if the one service instance is a 1 credit, so you have a 2 free credit, so that means as long as you are running a 1 service, you should be good to go. And then if you have a tracers, this is the way a little bit complicated. 50,000 tracers 1 credit, and 4 million matrices 1 credit. So I don't know, I didn't dig into that, but that will be the little kind of, I feel like a hidden cost. So the point is, I'm not going to go like talk this deep. And Me as a mixed feeling, because it is okay, if you're giving some service and you charge for that one, but same time you have a free version, and then over, like when you release a new version you completely change the pricing model. It's sometime it'll hard to adapt, because because most of developers may be 100% depending on this particular framework, and maybe they have not budgeted for the new projects or something like that. So this is my idea, my opinion. So it's up to you, but I'm just giving a heads up, because since I talk about a lot this about this tool in my channel, I wanted to tell you. So now it's not going to be free, so be careful when you use it in your project, and make sure you budget this amount to your project if you are going to use the serverless framework in future also. So that's it for this video, and talk to you soon with the next video. Until then, stay safe, take care.